The turnover of your business is less than 2 crores. Do you need to file your GST return? Hi, my name is CA Jitender Patel and I am on a mission to help small and medium enterprises with hassle-free statutory compliances. There is a rule under the GST law wherein if your turnover is less than 2 crores, then it is optional for you to file GSTR9 annual return. In this video, I am going to state 2 reasons as to why you need to file your GSTR9 annual return even in case your turnover is less than 2 crores. Let's get started. Reason number 1. Short reporting of turnover or excess claim of ITC. It may so happen that while filing your GSTR monthly returns, you may have underreported your turnover or you may have claimed excess ITC while filing your monthly GST return. So all these corrections as to your reporting of turnover and excess claim of ITC can be adjusted while filing the GSTR9 annual return. Any short payment of tax can be paid while filing GSTR9 return. Now question arises, what happens if I don't file the GSTR9 return? I am exempted by GST law. Why should I file? The key point here is that you are not exempted, but it is optional for you to file the GSTR9 annual return. So any short payment of tax or excess claim of ITC can be paid while filing the GSTR9 return along with the applicable interest. If the same underreporting or excess claim of ITC comes to the notice of tax department at the later stage, they may not only ask the tax and interest portion but also may levy penalty. So it is wise that in case if you have any underreporting of turnover or excess claim of ITC, you can pay the differential tax by filing the GSTR9 annual return. Reason number 2, to get assurance as to compliances of all the provisions of GST law. The MSME business owner, due to capital constraint, may hire a tax consultant who may not be well versed with the ever-changing GST law. So in this case, it is always better for the business owner to get his books of accounts and GST returns reconciled, and also get a opinion from a professional to check us whether he has complied all the provision of GST law. The reason behind, if any provision of GST law is not complied today, and if it comes to the notice of the tax authority at a future date, then they may not only ask tax and interest on the short reporting of the turnover or non-compliance of GST law, they may also ask to pay penalty. So for these 2 reasons, it is important for the businesses having turnover even less than 2 crores to file their GSTR9 annual returns. Hope this video is of use to you. This is CA Jitender Patel signing out. See you in my next video.